Top 8 affordable Japanese naked bikes that last forever. Number 8. Suzuki Bandit 600, 1995 to 2004. The Suzuki Bandit 600 is a timeless classic in the middleweight naked bike category, known for its versatility, reliability, and cost-effective maintenance. Powered by a 600cc inline-4 engine derived from Suzuki's legendary GSX-R series, the Bandit provides smooth power delivery and consistent performance across a broad RPM range. One of the Bandit 600's most celebrated features is its simple mechanical design, making it a favorite among riders who value ease of maintenance and affordability. Routine servicing is straightforward, and with proper care, many Bandits have logged well over 100,000 miles, showcasing its exceptional durability. The bike's lightweight chassis, paired with its predictable handling and ample low-end torque, makes it an ideal choice for a variety of riding styles, including daily commuting, long-distance touring, and spirited backroad adventures. Its comfortable seating position and upright ergonomics ensure a relaxed ride, even on extended journeys. The Bandit 600 has earned a loyal fanbase over the years for being a no-nonsense, reliable motorcycle that delivers solid performance without unnecessary complexity. Its blend of practicality, affordability, and dependability ensures that it remains a beloved choice for both new and experienced riders alike. Number 7. Yamaha XJR1200, 1994 to 1998. The Yamaha XJR1200 is a retro-inspired muscle bike that masterfully blends classic aesthetics with modern performance. Powered by a robust 1,188cc air-cooled inline-4 engine, this bike is renowned for its torque-rich performance and smooth power delivery, making it a versatile choice for both long-distance touring and urban cruising. Engineered with durability in mind, the XJR1200 features heavy-duty internals, including forged pistons and a reinforced crankshaft, ensuring exceptional reliability even after years of rigorous riding. Its simple mechanical layout makes maintenance straightforward, keeping it on the road longer with minimal upkeep. The bike's comfortable ergonomics and timeless design have earned it a loyal following among motorcycle enthusiasts. Riders praise its spacious seat, upright riding position, and solid suspension for providing a comfortable and confidence-inspiring ride, whether navigating city streets or tackling long highway stretches. With proper care, the XJR1200 routinely surpasses 150,000 miles without significant issues, cementing its reputation as a reliable workhorse. Its classic styling, featuring a muscular fuel tank and round headlight, ensures that the XJR1200 remains a head-turner even decades after its production ended. This bike is a perfect blend of power, durability, and style, making it an enduring favorite for riders who appreciate retro muscle bikes that stand the test of time. Number 6. Honda NTV650, 1988 to 1998. The Honda NTV650, also affectionately called the Revere, is a timeless masterpiece in the world of durable motorcycles. Known for its indestructible reputation and low-maintenance design, this bike has become a beloved choice for riders seeking practicality, comfort, and unmatched reliability. Powered by a 647cc V-twin engine, the NTV650 delivers smooth, linear power that makes it equally suited for daily commutes and long-distance touring adventures. The hallmark of its design is its shaft drive system, which eliminates the need for chain maintenance, further reducing upkeep and enhancing its practicality for riders who prioritize convenience. The NTV650's minimal maintenance requirements make it a go-to option for riders who want a dependable motorcycle without the hassle of constant adjustments or repairs. Owners frequently report logging well over 200,000 miles with just routine servicing, proving the bike's legendary longevity. Its comfortable ergonomics and well-balanced chassis make the NTV650 a pleasure to ride in a variety of conditions, from winding backroads to urban streets. Riders appreciate its versatility, noting its ability to adapt seamlessly to both casual commutes and spirited weekend getaways. The Honda NTV650's combination of rugged durability, low running costs, and simple mechanics ensures that it remains a standout choice for riders who value reliability and practicality. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first bike or an experienced rider seeking a trustworthy workhorse, the NTV650 continues to shine as a true legend of the road. Number 5. Kawasaki Z650, 2017 to present. The Kawasaki Z650 is a modern marvel in the middleweight naked bike category, combining efficient performance with cutting-edge reliability. Powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine, the Z650 delivers a smooth and responsive ride that's perfectly suited for urban commutes and weekend getaways. Its torque-rich performance ensures an exciting experience at any speed while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. One of the standout features of the Z650 is its lightweight design and nimble handling, making it a favorite among both new and experienced riders. Its ergonomic seating position and compact chassis provide excellent control, whether you're navigating tight city streets or carving through winding backroads. Kawasaki's focus on modern engineering ensures that the Z650 is not only fun to ride, but also built to last. Its low-maintenance engine and durable components require minimal upkeep, allowing riders to focus more on the road and less on repairs. The bike's reliability has made it a go-to choice for those seeking a dependable yet affordable naked bike. With its sleek styling, user-friendly design, and high resale value, the Kawasaki Z650 continues to be a top contender in the middleweight category. Whether you're a beginner exploring the world of motorcycles or a seasoned rider looking for a reliable everyday companion, the Z650 is an excellent choice that ticks all the boxes. Number 4. Suzuki GSX1400, 2001 to 2008. The Suzuki GSX1400 is a true powerhouse in the world of naked bikes, earning its reputation as a torque-heavy beast that blends massive performance with legendary durability. At its core is a 1,402cc air and oil-cooled inline-4 engine designed to deliver uncompromising power and reliability. This engine's forged components, including a robust crankshaft and sturdy pistons, ensure it can handle intense power output while remaining dependable for long-distance touring. The GSX1400's heavy-duty frame, combined with its comfortable ergonomics, makes it a joy to ride over long distances or through twisty backroads. Its manageable handling and strong low-end torque provide an exhilarating ride without compromising control, appealing to both experienced and adventurous riders. Designed with longevity in mind, the GSX1400's bulletproof engine and solid construction allow it to easily surpass 150,000 miles with routine maintenance. The bike's simple mechanical layout and durable components make it a favorite among riders who appreciate reliability and ease of upkeep. With its muscular styling, retro-inspired design, and performance-oriented features, the Suzuki GSX1400 continues to hold a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts. For those seeking a bike that combines immense power, rugged durability, and timeless appeal, the GSX1400 stands out as one of the toughest and most reliable naked bikes ever built. Number 3. Honda CB1300 Super Four, 1998 present. The Honda CB1300 Super Four is a legendary modern classic that seamlessly combines retro-inspired aesthetics with cutting-edge reliability. At its heart lies a 1,284cc inline-4 engine that delivers a silky smooth and consistent power band, making it the ultimate choice for riders who crave both performance and dependability. What sets the CB1300 apart is its bulletproof engineering. The bike's forged internals, precision-machined components, and liquid-cooled system ensure durability under even the most demanding conditions. It's designed to handle high mileage effortlessly, with countless riders reporting over 200,000 miles without major repairs, solidifying its status as one of Honda's most dependable motorcycles ever built. The CB1300 Super Four is as versatile as it is reliable. Whether you're tackling long-distance touring, daily commutes, or spirited weekend rides, this bike delivers a smooth and powerful ride that stands out in its class. Its timeless styling, inspired by Honda's iconic CB series, adds a vintage vibe while retaining all the modern conveniences riders expect. From its comfortable ergonomics to its rock-solid chassis, the CB1300 is engineered for ultimate rider satisfaction. The retro-inspired round headlight, bold fuel tank design, and polished chrome accents make it a head-turner in any crowd. For motorcycle enthusiasts, the Honda CB1300 Super Four is a true unicorn. A bike that's as low maintenance as it is iconic, making it a must-have for collectors and daily riders alike. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a nostalgic gearhead, this bike offers the perfect blend of modern reliability and classic charm, making it an evergreen choice in the world of motorcycles. Number 2. Yamaha XJR1300, 1998 to 2016. The Yamaha XJR1300 is a timeless naked bike powered by a 1251cc air-cooled inline-4 engine. Known for its torque-rich performance and retro styling, the XJR1300 is perfect for riders who appreciate muscle bike aesthetics and long-lasting reliability. With a heavy-duty crankshaft, forged pistons, and a robust frame, this bike can handle years of intense riding without significant issues. Its straightforward mechanical design makes maintenance simple, ensuring it stays on the road for decades. Number 1. Kawasaki GPZ900, 1984 to 2003. The Kawasaki GPZ900, famously known as the first Ninja, is a revolutionary motorcycle that redefined the superbike category and set new standards for performance and engineering. Its 908cc liquid-cooled inline-4 engine was a trailblazer of its time, producing 115 horsepower and delivering exceptional speed, reliability, and durability. What made the GPZ900 so groundbreaking was its compact engine design and aerodynamic fairings, which provided unmatched agility and efficiency for a bike in its class. This innovative combination made the GPZ900 a performance icon, capable of reaching speeds previously reserved for custom-built race bikes. Riders consistently report the GPZ900 achieving over 150,000 miles with proper maintenance, thanks to its robust engine construction and precision engineering. Its reputation for reliability has cemented its place in history as a benchmark for durable motorcycles. Beyond its engineering achievements, the GPZ900 boasts significant historical significance. As the first motorcycle to carry the Ninja name, it paved the way for Kawasaki's legendary Ninja series, which continues to dominate the sport bike segment. The Kawasaki GPZ900 combines timeless design, speed, and unmatched longevity, securing its legacy as one of the greatest Japanese motorcycles ever built. For enthusiasts, it remains a must-have collectible and a true legend on two wheels.